Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about WhatsApp tip to soon let you access your account from up to 4 devices simultaneously. A screenshot suggests that the app would use Wi-Fi connectivity to sync data across devices. WhatsApp seems set to soon allow you to use your WhatsApp account on as many as 4 devices simultaneously. A screenshot has been posted on Twitter to give a glimpse at the new feature that is still under development and is yet to be released even for beta testing. Multi-device support on WhatsApp has been in the rumors for quite some time. A reference of enabling a single WhatsApp account on multiple devices was also recently spotted on a beta version. As per the tweet posted on WhatsApp beta tracker Beta info, WhatsApp is adding the ability to let you use your WhatsApp account from 4 devices at the same time. The screenshot carried along with the tweet suggests that the app would use Wi-Fi connectivity to sync data across devices. However, WhatsApp may provide mobile data as an opt-in option for users who don't have a Wi-Fi connection but want to use their accounts on multiple devices. At present, WhatsApp doesn't allow users to be connected on multiple devices simultaneously. The app also doesn't support 2 WhatsApp accounts on one device. However, some Android phones have dual app support to enable access from up to 2 accounts. While Beta Info has explicitly mentioned that the new feature is currently under development. This means that it's not a part of any of recent beta versions and may be limited to an internal testing. Furthermore, WhatsApp may make certain changes before bringing the feature to a public release. Multi-device support development, earlier signs? Previous reports have mentioned that WhatsApp is working on multi-device support to let users enable access to their accounts from multiple devices. In late April, a screenshot was posted by Beta Info suggesting the ability to use multi-device support by scanning the QR code generated for a particular profile. WhatsApp may take some time to enable multi-device support for its users. Meanwhile, you can expect some new revelations surfacing online to show how the new support would function upon its arrival.
Please like and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for latest updates. Follow us also on Instagram and Twitter.